Just when we thought the COVID pandemic was winding down, a new strain is spreading quickly across the country and around the world, threatening another surge in cases. Christina Coleman has more from Los Angeles.
A new COVID surge could be coming soon. We're still seeing spikes in China and Hong Kong, and now most of Western Europe is reporting a big increase in new infections, fueled by the fast spread of the Omicron subvariant BA.2. But most of those countries have already lifted rules aimed at containing COVID, including travel restrictions. Folks there remaining cautiously optimistic as case numbers climb.
It's a good thing because people will be able to have more freedom of movement, but we need to be careful and monitor to avoid another wave.
Life is also starting to return to normal in the U.S. The CDC lowering its warning level for cruise ships, which are now preparing for a big influx of passengers. Some Californians say they've been waiting for this for 2 years.
We're waiting and waiting and waiting. A lot of our cruises were canceled. We probably had about 4 or 5 canceled, but we kept getting more and more onboard credits.
But public health officials caution we're not out of the woods just yet, pointing to a new CDC study showing hospitalization rates among young kids were 5 times higher during the Omicron surge, and even worse for infants 6 months and under. And there's no vaccine available for that age group. There's concern over the possibility of more COVID fatalities.
As we approach 1 million deaths, we see a broad insistence on lifting of mandates and other restrictions, as if those deaths are now part of the background of American mortality.
The CDC says BA.2 now accounts for more than 25% of all new COVID infections. In Los Angeles, Christina Coleman, Fox News.